Hi friends, welcome to the session. In this session, we are going to discuss about commonly used functions of Excel in all sectors. Those are sum, average, multiplication, division, percentage and all. So let us start by calculating sum. Yes, in Excel application, we use the sum calculation in many ways that based on the input. So now you may see that here the input is available only in two cells, and here the input is available in a single column sequence, and here the input is available in a single row sequence, and here the input is available in multiple column ranges. So we always used to change the formula that based on input, right? So first let us calculating by using only two strings. Two strings are also known as two cells, right? So when there is a small range, you don't need to use the actual sum formula, so directly you may use the plus sign instead of using sum function, right? So let us start calculating sum. So here I would like to calculate what is 120 plus 120. Now there is only two ranges, so here just start the formula by using equals to. Equal indicate that system understand we are going to start a formula. If you do not use the equal, system understand the formula as a text or number. Equal indicate that we are starting a formula, correct? Yes. So equals to, see, before starting that I'll just show the name box. What is the 120 address? The 120 address is that A3, column number A, row number 3. And what is the one more 120 address? It's about column number A and row number 4. If you know the addresses, directly just start the equals to what is the first 120 address? A3 plus again A4. So if you know the address directly, you just enter the cell reference addresses. For example, when you don't know about the addresses, simply, so after starting the formula, simply select string number 1 plus string number 2. So when you select this string, automatically Excel catch up the addresses and directly press enter. So what is the formula now? Equals to A3 plus A4 equals to string 1 address plus string 2 address, and directly press enter, and the result is 240 rupees. So we use this formula when there is a small sequences, right? So here we are going to do one more thing, that is that, see, we have the input in a single columnar range. So in these cases we cannot calculate like this. How? Equals to, what is the address? 120 plus 120 plus 120. This is highly difficult, so we are going to use the actual sum formula, right? So directly just start equals to sum open bracket equals to sum open bracket. Just directly select the total range, select the total range and close the bracket. What is the formula? Equals to sum open bracket and simply select the range if it is in a single sequence, right? And instead of select, see, now here there is a small range, so you can simply drag down the mouse from up to down, right? So that it is easy. So when there is a larger data, in that cases, instead of dragging like this, you simply enter in that range what is the first cell address. That is D3, and use the sign colon. Colon indicates there is a continuity. What is colon means? Colon means continuity. D3 2 up to what is the last one? So the last cell address is that D12. So equals to sum from where? D3 continued to D12, and simply close the bracket here and press enter. So this is how the total is a total 1200, right? And there is another way that how we can do. So now here I am going to show one more way that how we can calculate the sum in these cases. So simply activate this cell, simply activate plus one cell of the range, simply activate plus one cell of the range and go to home menu, and here next to the sigma sign there is a down handler is there. Simply click on the down handler and here select sum. So when you select sum, automatically the sum will be auto calculated to the respective range, and the formula is also auto populated, and directly press enter, and here the same total 1200, right? So here also simply, and now here again there is the same sequence range, so equals to sum open bracket Again select the range or enter the cell addresses manually. Equal to sum D17 continuation to K17 and close the bracket, and this is the result. Total is 960, right? So now we are going to, I would like to get the answer of range 1, range 2 and range 3 in this cell. So simply activate this cell. So here the start the formula equals to SUM, sum open bracket, equals to sum open bracket, and select range 1, comma, select range 2, comma, select range 3. Now there is no any other range, right? So here directly you make close. So equals to sum range 1 address, comma, range 2 address, comma, range 3 address, and directly close the bracket. The total sum of the three ranges is 3240. So this is how we calculate the sum formula in many ways, that based on input available. So friends, now let us just continue with the same common formulas of Excel. So next we are going to discuss about the subtraction. So very simple, there is no exact formula and there is no special formula for subtraction. There is that we can use only minus sign for the subtraction. Very simple, simply just start the formula equals to higher value minus lower value, higher value minus lower value, and directly press enter, and now 100 minus 10, the answer is 90. So there is no specified formula for the subtraction, there is only minus sign for subtraction, right? So next we'll just understand that how we calculate multiplication in Excel application. So very simple. So I just want to know what is the result of 4 into 5. So directly wherever you like to get the result, just activate the cell first by using equal sign and just simply select string number 1 into, and here the student are getting confused by using X or star. So in your keyboard you do not press X, just press from the newer keyboard, just press only star, right? So equals to A3 into, that means star, and again B3. So here the result is 4 into 5. 4 into 5 is that total, the result is 20, right? And here we also discuss about next one is that product. See, what is the product? What is product? Product is a formula which is used to multiply all arguments in a range, and also known as repeat addition. Very simple. I just want to know what is 100 into 100 result. Again that result into 100, that result again into 100. So I would like to get a repeat addition with continuous multiplication, right? So here the formula is that equals to PRO. Just simply type product, and select the whole range and directly close the bracket, and the total result is total. See, 100 into 100, 10,000, 10,000 into 100, 1 lakh, 1 lakh into 100, 1 crore, right? So this is how it works. Thank you. So friends, now we'll just discuss about the division. Very simple. I would like to share 100 rupees to the 3 people. So in that case, we just use, see, there is no again specified formula for division. We just use a slash sign from the keyboard. So simply select equals to, select the input value and use the slash for division, and select the number of sheet that you want to. So here I just want to know what is 100 by 3. So the result is 33.33 rupees, right? So next we'll just come back to learn about the percentage. So here a student Mr. X is getting 550 marks out of 600. So I would like to know what is the percentage of these 550 out of 600. Very simple. Select the total marks secured by total marks into 100, total marks secured by total marks secured by total maximum marks into 100, and the result is the percentage of 550 out of 600 is 91.6%. And next I would like to get the average. A student is gaining around the marks of 80 and 30 and 64 and 15 and 19 and 100 in the respective from subject 1 to subject 6. I just want to know what is the average marks of this student when we compare all the subjects, right? So simply use the formula equals to average, AVERAG, average. So simply start the formula by using equals to average and select the 6 subjects 6 subjects and simply close the bracket, and the average marks of the student is 63.16, right? So here we are typing the formulas, right? So if you like to view the formula that what we typed, simply select the cell address, select activate the cell first and directly press F2. F2 is a function key which shows active formula in that selective cell, right? So here I would like to view a formula of these 63, so directly press F2 here, and again if you wanted to know the formula of sum, directly there also simply select the activate the cell first and directly press F2. So whenever you press F2, system shows the list of inputs at the same time including formula. So here we can see the list of inputs here. So in this formula here we have taken inputs from 3 ranges, and the formula is that equals to range number 1, comma range number 2, comma range number 3. So this is how we works on Excel. Thank you.